Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Today we have a 2006 S300 large frame Bobcat skid steer loader. It is a 2-speed machine. I like this. It'll travel at 12.5 miles an hour in high range. That will get you from job site to job site. It'll get your work day finished sooner. Big vertical lift arms on this machine. It's a 3,000 rated operating capacity. That makes it a 6,000 tipping load machine. Power bob attach. Only 867 hours. Tires measure 930 seconds. That puts them at about 47% of new. Machine just came in. We will do a full service on it. It has an 81 horse 4-cylinder Kubota diesel. There is also a block heater on the machine. It's a good starter. Nice heated cab. We've got some of the nice features as well. Power bob attach. No need to crawl out of the cab to hook up your attachments. Do it from the comfort of the interior. And speaking of the interior, there's our hour meter, 867 hours. It is a key start machine. We've got our heat controls, our windshield wiper, a 12-volt outlet, cabin air filter, and look at the great visibility on this machine. I mean, you can see out, no problem. The hydraulics are responsive. Nice running machine. Easy in and out on this machine too with the 2 steps. You know, an added bonus is we've got both the 7 and the 14-pin wiring harness. You're ready to hook up to any attachment. Hydraulics plumbed out the front. Nice straight machine. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. This is a 2006 S300 large frame skid steer loader. It's going to go out with a limited powertrain warranty, fully inspected. Give us a call, Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.